Hi, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys one of my weight loss smoothie I've been using over the years, ever since I started this weight loss journey of a thing, and it works like magic. So guys, as you can see, I'm using spinach, I'm using apple, banana, I'm using cucumber, I'm using lemon as well. You can also use limes if you have limes, and I'm using broccoli. Broccoli is very good in the body. So I'm going to be using one of these, but I'm not going to use it all. So lemon here is very good. It helps for digestion. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video. So first, I'm cutting off my broccoli, but I'm not going to be using all of it. I'm just going to use part of it. So I like to buy my vegetable, wash them myself, and put them in the freezer. I don't like to buy frozen vegetable. I love them fresh. So I'm going to cut them and then take the quantity I am going to use for this, and then the rest of it I'll store them in the freezer. So the reason why I love to wash my vegetable myself before store them in the freezer is because of all this tiny nonsense I'm seeing there. So guys, this is the quantity I'm using. The rest of them I'll soak them in warm water and salt. So next, I'm putting my cucumber in the blender, and then I add my broccoli. I put the broccoli in warm water just to take off the smell, because I don't like the smell of the broccoli. And then once I add my lemon, I'm going to be adding water and fresh milk. Fresh milk is optional. I love fresh milk so much. I think it helps to kill the smell from the vegetable. So that's why I normally add it. So next, I'm just going to blend them very smooth. So once I blend them very smooth, it's ready. Honestly, this works like magic. If you cannot do fasting, you cannot run, start taking this vegetable in the morning and in the night for dinner. You are going to see changes in your body. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like it, please give me thumbs up and leave a good comment. See you all on my next video. Bye.
The Pope takes a poop and the President too.